Traditional learning methods like quizzes, PDFs, and basic online courses often feel passive and unengaging for modern learners. Students often memorize information without learning how to apply it in real-world situations, while most educational platforms offer static and repetitive experiences. Opencase solves this by turning education into an AI-powered detective adventure, where learners solve immersive mystery cases using clues, evidence, and critical thinking. The platform uses AI models like Anthropic Claude Opus 4.7 for intelligent story generation and reasoning, along with Runway Gen 4 models to create cinematic visual evidence and real-time interactive characters. Opencase can dynamically generate unique investigations for almost any subject, from biology and history to physics and chemistry, making learning more interactive, practical, and exciting, like being inside a real detective story. Let's start with a simple science topic, photosynthesis. As we hit the Start Investigation button, Opencase instantly begins generating a completely unique AI-powered case file. As the cases are generated, the interface transitions into a cinematic evidence vault. Now the case is generated, the investigation is titled The Emerald Conspiracy in a briefcase interface, which will be powered by Runway. The briefcase slowly opens with a noir-style animation, revealing classified documents with reports hidden inside. But instead of just one mission, Opencase structures every investigation into 3 progressive case levels. The first case is the beginner investigation, designed to introduce the core concepts. Here we get a brief about the case on how a greenhouse at Botanical Hall has gone mysteriously pale. Plants' leaves are yellowing despite ample water and soil, so something vital is missing. On the right side, the player is assisted by an AI investigation agent that guides them throughout the case. As the investigation begins, the agent delivers an initial briefing message, outlining the situation and presenting the key forensic question the learner must solve. In this case, the question is, what essential ingredient for photosynthesis is being blocked from the plant? Let's initialize our agent, which in this particular case is a detective assigned to help investigate the case. We are using Runway Gen 4 to generate the character and real-time interactive avatar to help solve the case. Before proceeding, first we check out the Evidence Board tab, where we can access all kinds of case-related evidence, including surveillance snapshots and classified reports. Let's hit the Generate Evidence button. Next, we have the lab, where users can experiment by combining 2 or more available evidence nodes to uncover hidden hints. Finally, we have the terminal to gather additional information. Let's start the agent and try to solve the case.
Detective Klorenko Online. I've initialized my neural link to the photosynthesis case data. How can I assist with the wilting greenhouse investigation?
The terminal is locked. What is the password?
The password for the terminal is usually hidden within the evidence itself. Have you looked closely at the evidence board?
Board is currently loading.
Yes, exactly. You'll find the key digits somewhere among the visuals or descriptions there.
What to do in the lab?
The forensic lab allows you to combine clues together. Sometimes that reveals new information.
The user can select the available nodes and connect it to generate a hint to solve the case. Here I took yellowed leaf with UV lamp to view the visual with a piece of info.
Everything okay?
Yes.
Great! Once you find the password, the evidence terminal should be accessible.
Here we got the output generated using Runway, which helps in the case. Now, let's visit the evidence board to see what we got.
No rush at all. Take your time.
Let's turn the light on. Here we got a newspaper piece, a map,
Just let
and
me know
2
when you've seen the
photos related
evidence.
to the case that gives us the hint, all generated using Runway. Here is a code year that talks about a maintenance log. Let's save it. Now we have the visuals, which clearly shows that sunlight is blocked to the plants.
Just checking in. Still where?
Yes, just wait.
No problem at all. I'm here.
Here, let's try with an invalid code to see if I get access deny, Then I will pass the correct code I got from the evidence letter. Access is granted.
Just checking in. Still where?
Now, let's off the agent as we are close to the answer. Here in the terminal, we can get related video and audio evidence generated from Runway. We can see the guys closing the curtains, which has led to blockage of the sunlight, and the audio also says the same.
Subject confirmed. Light deprivation. Without sunlight, the chloroplasts cannot initiate photosynthesis.
As it is a beginner-level case, the answer is very direct to our question. The answer is sunlight. Let's try. The case is solved. Now it goes to the case page where it shows the case solved stamp, and the next case is unlocked. Each difficulty level feels like progressing deeper into a real detective storyline rather than moving through chapters of a lesson. And because every investigation is dynamically generated using AI, the evidence, visuals, narration, and case flow can change every single time the user starts a new investigation. Crack the code of mastery with Opencase.